mynews.studio.
A kind of cosmic fog has been hiding half of the universe's ordinary matter. But now, thanks to bursts of radio waves from distant space, astronomers have started to see what was missing.
Today is June 22nd, 2025. For decades, scientists couldn't find about half of the universe's ordinary matter, the atoms that make up stars, planets, and us. And just to clarify, we're not talking about dark matter here, which is another puzzle. Why was this regular matter so hard to spot?
It really comes down to distribution. Most of this matter isn't packed into galaxies. Instead, it floats as hot, thin gas in the vast spaces between galaxies, the intergalactic medium, or IGM. Traditional telescopes just aren't sensitive enough to pick up this faint, diffuse gas. So astronomers needed a different method.
Right, and that's where fast radio bursts come in, isn't it? These are quick, intense flashes of radio waves that come from very distant galaxies. But how do they actually help reveal this missing matter?
When these fast radio bursts, FRBs, travel across space, their signals are slowed down by the ionized gas they pass through. The charged particles like protons and electrons cause different radio frequencies to arrive at slightly different times. That's called dispersion. By measuring this effect, astronomers can estimate how much ordinary or baryonic matter each FRB has encountered.
And just to check, dark matter doesn't have the same effect, does it? Since it doesn't interact with light or radio waves, it wouldn't change the FRB signal.
Exactly. That's how scientists can be sure they're only measuring ordinary matter, not dark matter or something else. In June 2025, an international group analyzed dozens of FRBs, including the most distant ones ever detected, to create a map of where this matter actually is.
So, what did they find? How is all this missing matter actually spread out?
They found that around 76% of the universe's ordinary matter is in the intergalactic medium. Only a small part is inside galaxies or their surrounding halos. This result fits with what computer models had predicted, and it also shows that dramatic events like supernova explosions or activity from supermassive black holes can push matter out of galaxies and into the IGM.
So galaxies are less crowded than we imagined, because their own energy actually throws matter out into the cosmic web. Is this what's sometimes called the cosmic thermostat effect?
Yes, that's the idea. These feedback effects regulate how galaxies grow, preventing them from pulling in all the available matter and shaping how galaxies form and change over billions of years.
Looking ahead, now that astronomers have mapped this missing matter, what questions are they hoping to answer next?
The next big step is to use even more FRBs. With new radio telescopes, researchers can create much more detailed maps of the cosmic web. This could help answer big questions about how galaxies form, what the universe's structure is really like, and even reveal more about particles such as neutrinos.
And it's interesting that this kind of research isn't just about physics. It really highlights international collaboration and the potential of new technology. It's a global effort to answer a very basic question. Where is all the stuff in the universe?
These findings confirm decades of theories and computer models, showing science can solve problems that once seemed impossible. They also remind us that the universe is constantly changing. Matter moves, shifts, and shapes what we see.
So, to recap, astronomers used fast radio bursts to track down the universe's missing matter. Most of it's in the space between galaxies, pushed out there by powerful cosmic events. This discovery sharpens our picture of how galaxies develop and sets the stage for more detailed cosmic mapping.
Thanks for joining us while we explored this cosmic mystery and what it means for our understanding of the universe.
Thank you for listening. This episode was produced by mynews.studio. Try it out for free.